The manufacturing industry is changing at an unprecedented rate. With growing competitive and cost pressures, manufacturers are pressed to innovate faster in order to meet customer demand. But legacy systems and limited visibility into operations across the enterprise slows decision-making. We wanted to know how industry leaders are leveraging ever-advancing technologies like industrial IoT to answer questions like, what should you invest in to gain a competitive advantage or to better understand your operational performance? How can you more easily make sense of all your data and uncover best practices across your plants? Are you getting comprehensive and reliable data from each of the plants you need to monitor? So we asked manufacturing leaders of global enterprises to share their insights. Our research found that leaders are often making key decisions with information that is not always 100% reliable, and we discovered that for the vast majority, even getting their data was still a difficult and often manual process. Our research also revealed the key measurements they count on where they are making investments and showed clear opportunities that could give manufacturers a competitive advantage. Achieving optimal performance and staying competitive means getting information you can rely on to make data-driven decisions with confidence. PTC is excited to share this detailed research report with you. This report will assess and outline the ways that leading companies are making smarter investments and how they measure and benchmark plant performance across the enterprise. Download the full report today for a better understanding of your organization's path to optimal performance.